it, flip it, top it with the bow tie, flip it and stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ali Cake, and in today's video I will be showing you how to get this eye look. I found this look on Instagram. I'll put the picture. I got this look from somebody called Leilani and I really liked it, so I wanted to recreate it for you guys. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get into this makeup look. We're going to James Charles palette. And we're going into this brown right here, and we're gonna put that to the top of the lids.
Pies are flying through the roof of a cherry, the way they all go, knock them down like she a dodgeball. Little mess up and she's angry, one downfall, she gonna need a reason. Box it, flip it, top it with the bow tie, flip it and stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof of a cherry, the way they all go, knock them down like.
So now I'm going into this black color right here, and I'm going to put that on the lid and smoke it out to the top, so it's like smoky eye. So I'm going in with the black. So now I'm taking this shimmer right here, this type of, this kind of white shimmer, and I'm putting that in the brow bone.
Flip it, top it with the bow tie, flip it and stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. Not my first pick, but I'll do it, make the cash last so I can move quick. Out the shithole with a new whip, cream on top, I'm about to prove it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. Pack it, box it.
So now I'm going to put some black eyeliner on the eyes.
Mercy, step right on me, still out of that, send me to purgatory.
And now I'm going in with my gems. So these are the gems I'm using. I'll link them in the description box. I get them from Amazon, and I'm going from small to big, so it's like I wanted, I'll put a reference picture on the screen. I get this look, where I get this look from, the inspiration. Yeah, so I'm going to do like three dots from big to small, going up. You will see in the picture. And I'm using the 3D lash adhesive from INB by Kiss.
I'll be dodgeball. Little mess up and she's angry. One downfall, she gonna beat her in.
So, almost done with this look. I just want to take a small pencil brush, and I want to take a small pencil brush and the same color, my brow bone, I want to put them in the corners.
Pack it, box it, flip it, top it with the bow tie, fit and stop it. Eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. Not my first pick, but I'll do it. Make the cash last like the move.
And now I'm going to put on some red lipstick.
Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. My boss is Mother Mary. Catch me slipping through the concrete. Show no mercy, step by all me. Stiletto death, send me to purgatory.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye guys!